Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a fruit for thought for September. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So September's Fruit for Thought box just arrived. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, let's go ahead and dive in. I can't remember what I can never remember the theme when it comes. But the good thing about this is you get to see the theme. I got a hairy box here. I got a little bit of hairy box here. You get to see the theme on their website 3 months in advance. So you always know what it's going to be. And if it's not something that tickles your fancy, you can always pause, cancel, or still get it and use it as a gift idea for another. But that's one thing that I really do like because, am I going to open this backwards now? Yep. Because you can see the theme for several months out. So when you open up this box, that is how it comes right there. And when you remove the tissue paper, there's a sneak peek to the inside of the box. All you get to see is the card. And this month's, yes, the September is grape wine. That's right, that's right. October's theme is caramel pear. I thought October was something with, maybe that's November. One of them I know was something with like pumpkin spice or something like that. I can't remember. Nope, actually the card was incorrect. The November's theme was put on the card. So October is in fact pumpkin cheesecake, so that will be for October. November is caramel pear, but this month is going to be grape wine. On the back of the card, it will go over the items that are inside, but it doesn't give you pricing. So let's go ahead and move these squiggles. Now you want a little sneak peek? Ooh, I see Grape Crush. This was like my all-time favorite soda when I was in junior high. I would literally get a bottle of grape soda, sometimes orange, and I would get a bag of Flaming Hot Cheetos, and that's what I would eat and drink on my way home, walking home from school. Like, I would save my lunch money and I'd buy hot Cheetos and grape soda. Yeah. So that is really neat to have this in here. And it says it's sugar-free, so that is awesome because I do not drink soda anymore. I have not drank a soda since 2013. So I wasn't about to start now. So that's cool that these are just like flavored to put in your water. And if it tastes like it, that's even better. So I'm super excited to try this out. It's on the go, 6 drink packets. You just add it to your water and it says it's sugar-free. Yeah, I can't wait to try that. So I'm gonna, if anybody has ever tried this before, let me know, but I'm definitely gonna test it out and see if it tastes like grape soda because that's one thing that I have missed. Is a good grape soda or an A&W root beer. Those are my 2 favorites. So let me see what it says on the card for that. I'm not finding this on the card. So I don't know if this is a little added bonus, but that is actually really cool. Okay, you guys, so just an update if you're curious on how this tastes. It tastes like grape Kool-Aid. Very like strongly flavored grape Kool-Aid. But hey, it's good. Not soda, but it's good grape Kool-Aid flavor. Now down in here, what do we have? It says pink Moscato, foaming sugar scrub. Ooh, that sounds amazing. Let me see if I can get this opened without making a mess. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. And it does kind of smell like a pink Moscato. And I love pink Moscato. I love wine. I love wine. And I love me some wine. So this, oh, that smells so good. So that is what it looks like down inside. It is very like a thick consistency. Some of them like crumble up and they're just like a weird consistency. This one seems like a really nice one. Ooh, and it smells delicious. So this guy right here, let me find that because this one definitely is going to be on the card. I think I already saw this one. Yes, this is lather and exfoliate all in one step with this creamy foaming scrub in a pink Moscato scent. This is by Dallas Soap Company. This scent is a crisp, refreshing aroma of sparkling white wine with pomegranate and green apple with hints of rose and geranium. geranium. I don't smell rose, luckily. Oh my goodness. Everything else is totally overpowering the little bit of rose that is probably in there. So I'm definitely going to use this to scrub. And it says, we love this scent so much. We also included a small version of their popular luxury bubble bath. Use code GRAPES for 15% off at www.dallassoapcompany.com. Expires 11/30/21. So that would make even good gift ideas if you want to check it out and utilize that coupon. So here it is. It says it's a bath bubble and it looks just like it with the pink Moscato. So what do you do with this? Do you just put it in like in your bath water? I don't take baths. Yes, so I will save this for one of you guys to enjoy. Directions: use half of bottle under warm running bath water. May require more for large tubs. Soak and enjoy. So you can put half of it in there. If that does you good, then you keep on going. You can use the other half another time. If it's not, just pour the whole thing in there and you're good to go. So that is really neat. You get to try out both from the same company. You have the bath bubble and then you have the foaming sugar scrub, which this smells amazing. So I'm sure this smells just the same. So hopefully one of you guys will definitely enjoy that. Soaking in a bath, relaxing. So next we have, it says Fruity Alchemy Labs Grape Soap. Ooh, alrighty. This says it is a Fruity Alchemy Labs Grape Soda Scented Soap. Has a lively and intoxicating aroma of sweet, juicy grapes. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, that definitely smells like grape. It's like an intoxicating scent of, oh, that smells so good. That smells so good. That's going in my shower. That smells so good. So you have a bath soap bar that smells amazing. Let's see what else we have in here. Now we have, oh, is this a set of earrings? Yes, so we have a set of earrings and that is what they look like right there. Very sparkly and purple. Add some sparkle to your accessorizing with All Up in the Hair Grape Soda Druzzy earrings. My ears are super sensitive, so these I would not be able to wear, so I will set this aside for one of you guys to hopefully enjoy as well. I'll put it with the bath bubble. Let's see what else is in here. It says Life's Grape Vine Dried Grapes with peanut butter dipped. It says a twist on the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwich. At Life Grape Snacks took their tasty vine-dried grapes and dipped them in rich, creamy peanut butter for a nostalgic treat. The vine-dried grapes and rich and scrumptious since they are dried slowly under the shade of a canopy, making them extra juicy and flavorful. Let's see what is in here. I'm kind of scared. So it's kind of like all stuck down in the wrapper. It looks like there's like maybe there's little grapes, like almost like little raisin looking things that are down there with peanut butter. That is very good though. It's a very rich peanut butter. And then the little bit of the grape inside gives it a little sweet. Those are really good. And like I said, I was a little scared by how it looked, but looks can be deceiving. It tastes good. Okay, so now we have, it says Haichu Grape. Haichu is the ultimate Japanese juicy chew candy with a bold grape flavor. Alrighty then. So you have a candy that is grape as well. And then the last item in here is this guy right here. It says the Chiller Bottle and Ice Carrier. Take it with you, keep it cold. Alrighty then. This I might just say for one of you guys because this is something that I would not use. I keep all my bottles in the refrigerator chilled anyways, so I wouldn't need to put it in a bag with ice, but it's a cool little concept. This right here says, at IWA Wine, chiller, and ice carrier is the best of both worlds for those who enjoy wine, beer, or any other cold beverage. It's a combination bottle carrier and ice bucket with handles that includes a clear front pouch so you can put a label of the beverage that's inside or a bottle opener or corkscrew. Safe to use at poolside. I mean, if you were at the beach, the lake, or the poolside, you know, that kind of thing, that would be kind of cool. Put your drinks in there, put some ice in there, and hold it up. Even if it was just some tea, some soda, some lemonade, some kids' juices, or anything like that, you can keep it cold in this, and you have the little handles to carry it. So there's that. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. We have this little wine chiller that you can hold any type of a drink with ice in it to keep it cold. You have this little treat that tastes extremely good. You have a pair of earrings. You have a bath bubble, and then you have the body scrub. I'm super, super excited about that. You have an amazing smelling soap bar. Oh, it just smells so good. You have some candy, and then you have this, which I'm super excited to try. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that were in here? What did you think of the theme? I was kind of hoping with the grape wine, there'll be more like wine things, when this is more like grape with a sprinkle of wine. But either way, I think it's really, really neat. I love grape. I love the scent of grape, and all of these items smell amazing, taste amazing. So there you go. If you want a little bit more information about Fruit for Thought, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is Crafty 10. So Crafty 10 will get you 10% off your subscription when you purchase. If you do month to month, this box is $39.95. You have cheaper plans, the more prepaid plan that you want to choose. But if you just do month to month, it's $39.95. Every month you will find a new theme. It'll be fruit and sometimes vegetable. You'll have 5 to 7 fun and unusual quality products with an assortment of scents, flavors, and colors relating to that theme. Products may include home accessories, jewelry, luscious bath and body products, stationery, yummy goodies, and more. You can also buy a one-time box that's not renewing. So if you just wanted to buy a one-time box for yourself or for a gift idea, you can purchase those directly from their site for $44.99. You can skip or cancel at any given time. And yeah, so that is that. Again, Crafty 10 will get you 10% off if you would like to go and check them out. And that is everything that I have for you guys. So again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the box. What do you think of the items? What do you think of Fruit for Thoughts in general? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew out.